Hey, I'm Steve, and recently I got the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Kit, and I've had a lot of fun out flying my new drone. And one of my favorite features that I have discovered and I've been practicing is the auto tracking or the auto follow feature. It's where you can set your drone up to follow you, and then that's it. It's set and forget, and then you can walk, run, ride a bike, drive a vehicle, whatever you choose to do. You can set it up in settings and it will follow you and do random moves. It may circle you, it may follow behind you, follow in front, go parallel to you. It's amazing that the drone picks out what type of flight to follow you on and film you. So what I did is I did a little practice. I went out to the beach and where there's no one around so I could practice freely, and I just practiced the follow me feature on the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and it works amazing. So I'm going to leave you with this footage here. This drone can do so much more than what I'm showing, but this is one of my most favorite features so far. So if you're looking at the Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo, I hope you found my video helpful.